Hello, mic test. So, second live natin ha. So, ulitin po natin ha. So, try natin kung okay na ba yung ating music background. Tingnan natin ha. Okay, nako, magandang gabi po ulit sa ating lahat ha. Yan, welcome po ulit dito sa ating live. Simula po dito sa Barangay Rizal, Poblacion, Lopez, Quezon Province. Ang inyong lingkod sa pool na sa pool. Hello, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Siyempre sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo. Sa mga kumakain at tapos na kumain, bahala kayo. Bahala talaga kayo, ano. Siyempre sa my birthday ngayon, happy birthday Ma'am Emma Pinsker. Hello again. Ayan, so relive tayo. Tingnan natin kung okay na ating music background ha. So okay na ba? Okay na ba mga kasapul? Okay na. Ayan, sana naman ay maging okay na yung ating music background ha. Pag hindi ba ito naging okay, nako, wala na tayong magagamit na sound system ano. Ayan, try ulit natin ha, mag-relive. Ayan ha. Subukan ulit natin mag-live ano. So check muna natin ating check muna natin yung ating music background kung okay na po ito no. Try natin. Siyempre sa my birthday ngayon, again happy birthday ulit sa iyo Ma'am Emma Pinsker. Ano ba yan? Ayan, relive ka uli. Ayan, okay na po kaya ang ating music background? Yan, okay na kaya? Okay na po kaya yung ating music background? Okay na? Kaya sa ating awit tayo ay Happy birthday, Ma'am Emma! Catherine Talibong, Maring Catherine Talibong, good evening everyone, Paring Russell, Maring Sara Berinya Villanueva. Hello sa maganda kong kumari Magandang gabi, Maring Catherine Talibong. Yan, okay na? Ayan, okay na. Okay na ang ating music background, ano? Ayan, sa mga gustong bumati sa ating Ma'am Emma Pinsker, ayan pwede kayong mag-request ng awitin na handog para sa kanya bilang may kaarawan ngayong araw. Ayan At wag na kayo magtatanong kung anong edad ha. Ayan, check natin kung okay na yun ano. Magpakailanman okay na? Ha? Okay, sa cellphone daw. Okay na? So, okay na siguro, no? Again, ayan maraming salamat sa iyo, mga Charmaine Dolpo. Thank you so much sa iyo for sharing. Balik lang, Ma'am Russell, okay na, anak po. Ayan, balik lang ako para... sige, Maring Catherine. Sige. Ingat, ha? Thank you sa papuso, Ma'am Lorna Binaya. Ayan, okay lang ating music background, ano? Ma'am Lorna Binaya, magandang gabi po ulit, ha? Magandang gabi po ulit. Thank you, Ma'am Lenny Abig, sa iyo pa puso. Magandang gabi ulit. Ayan, okay na ba yung ating music background? Okay na, ano? Ma'am Nelly Carino Martin, hi idol, good evening, long time bossy na sa live, busy na ako lang. Wow, ingat sa iyo ha. Nelly Carino Martin, magandang gabi po ulit ha. Siyempre, thank you for sharing Ma'am Lorna Binaya, maraming salamat sa iyong pag-share ng ating live ha. So, yan ha. So, okay na po ba yung ating music background? Pwede na ba tayo magkantahan? Para naman maawitan na natin ang my birthday ngayon, ano? Okay na ba? Ayan. Okay, pampagana muna. Yeah! Happy birthday! Ayan, happy birthday sa iyo, Ma'am Emma Pinsker. Ang kasiyahan ay tunay na pagmamahalan ay mararamdaman lalo na't kung nagsasayawan. Nawiting bago ay naghihintay para isayaw mo. Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa indak na panahon, kasabay ng mga bagong tugtugin ngayon. Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa indak ng panahon, makisama, mag-enjoy ka ngayon. Panahon natin nag-iiba, kaya't sundin masasayang awitin, nararapat ng tangkiligin. Awiting bago ay naghihintay para isayaw mo. Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa indak ng panahon, kasabay ng mga bagong tugtugin ngayon. Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa indak ng panahon, makisama, mag-enjoy ka ngayon. Ma'am Lani Abig, okay na ba yung ating music background? Okay na? Parang humina lang, ano? Yan, siguro okay naman yung ating music background, ano? Okay na, ayan. Sige, salamat. Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa indak ng panahon. John Reyes Garig, magandang gabi sa iyo ha. John Reyes Garig, at syempre, thank you sa patala, Ma'am Emma Pinsker. Salamat, salamat po ha. Joy ka ngayon. Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa indak ng panahon, kasabay ng mga bagong tugtugin ngayon. Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa indak ng panahon, makisama, mag-enjoy ka. Salamat po sa patala, Ma'am Emma Pinsker. Ayan, Ma'am Charlene Rihente Pilante. Hello po, sir. Magandang gabi po ulit sa iyo, Ma'am Charlene Rihente Pilante. Siyempre kay Leia Artuzuela. Hi, idol, watching from Antipolo City. Uy, dumaan kami dyan sa Antipolo City. Nagluwas ako nung nakaraan dyan ha. Ayan ha. Hi po sa iyo dyan. At big shoutout ha, Ma'am Sita Mison, Ma'am Chong Regine. Ayan ha, from Emma Pinsker. So ito next nating awitin para po sa my birthday ha. Ma'am Belia, Ira, Cashley, DJ Kera, magandang gabi, hello. DJ Kera, magandang gabi. At siyempre sa kay Edith Yap Mahilom, magandang gabi, hello. Ma'am Edith Yap Mahilom, shoutout po sa iyo ha. Ayan, para po sa may birthday ha. Ayan, isa sa mga paboritong awitin ni Ma'am Emma Pensco.
Vicks Inhaler.
Ayan, again ha. Ayan, idol request ko po mapagmahal ako. Sige po Ma'am Leia. Ayan, Arzuela. Okay, this song is buong puso natin inaandog para po sa my birthday ngayon ha. Ma'am Emma Pinsker. I can't believe what I just heard. Could it be true? Are you the girl I thought I knew? Eno Denisita. Shout out the one who promised me her love. Where did it go? Does anybody ever know? And how do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never love this much again? No, I just can't let go. And how do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never let this much again? Thank you, Ma'am Emma. Tonight I hope what could be right. Tomorrow I'll pretend to let you go. Leia Arzuela, thank you sa papuso. Ma'am Emma, thank you sa patala. And when you ever want you see, or was I a fool who fell in love with this own dream? And now you say you want to leave. Start a new life today. These words I told you never say. Arlene Andales. Is how do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never be this much again? Mami Lilian. Oh no, I just can't let Ren Garcia. And how do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never let us meet again? Oh no, tonight I hope what could be right. Tomorrow I'll pretend to finally put it all behind me. Wake and find that I have found new life in my soul. I found out how I let you go. Habibi Diamante, magandang gabi. Ayan, you go. And how do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never be this much again? I just can't let go. 'Cause how do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never be this much again? Oh no. Tonight I hold what could be right. Tomorrow I'll pretend to wake and put it all behind me, and by that I know how to let you go. And our song ay siyempre buong puso nating inaandog para po sa may birthday ngayon. Iyan, Ma'am Emma Pinsker. Yan, sa mga makapagdamdaming awitin At syempre salamat sa iyong patala Ma'am Emma. Sir, pa-request niya, You Make Me Up. Ano? You Make Me Up po, sir. Para sa akin po, ayan, si Charlene Regente Pilante. You Make Me Up. Ayan, sige po, pa-wait nyo lang po Okay, pa-wait nyo lang po yan Ma'am Charlie Pilante. At syempre, big shoutout po ulit sa nag-iisa ko, Mami Mami Lilian Bacali Poster. Ayan, you're welcome po. Ayan, okay na yung ating okay na music background
Great taste, why? Tamang-tama.
Nestle Maldita, ayan good evening po, idol. Magandang gabi po sa iyo Nestle Maldita. Ma'am Robby Sain, salamat po. Apa, ayan, sige po Ma'am Emma Pinsker, ayan Ayan, Ma'am Robby Sain, salamat sa iyong papuso Ayan, big shoutout Idol Russell sa The King and Queen ng team sa Pula, anak May Gemini Angelo Chavez. Good evening, happy Friday from Mami Lilian natin Okay, isa pang awitin, syempre. Ayan, para po sa ating pinamahal na si Ma'am Emma Pinsker Happy birthday po. I've been alone with you inside my mind, and in my dreams, I've kissed your lips 1,000 times. I sometimes see you pass outside my door. Hello, is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes, I can see it in your smile. You're all I ever wanted, and my arms are open wide. 'Cause you know just what to say, and when you know just what to do, and I want to tell you so much, I love you. Thank you, Ma'am Emma. Salamat sa patala mo. Thank you po. Once again, happy birthday po sa iyo, Ma'am Emma Pinsker. Ang mga awitin pong ito ay para po sa inyo. Salamat po. I took the sunlight in your hair and told you down a time again how much I care. Sometimes I feel my heart will overflow. Hello, I just got to let you know, 'cause I wonder where you are, and I wonder what you do. Are you somewhere feeling lonely, or there's someone loving you. Tell me how to win your heart, but I haven't got a sign. Well, let me start by saying, Ma'am Emma, I love you. Sir Calvo Vizcala Alba, magandang gabi, hello. Ma'am Ann Agustino, magandang gabi. Hello, Ma'am Ann Agustino. Thank you, Mami Lilian. And again, happy birthday po, Ma'am Emma Pinsker. Ma'am Ann Agustino, magandang gabi. Salamat sa papuso, Ma'am Roby Zais. Archie Baroquillo. Wow, thank you so much sa iyo, Archie Baroquillo. Shoutout po sa iyo, magandang gabi ha. Hello, yes, it's me you're looking for, 'cause I wonder where you are, and I wonder what you do. Are you somewhere feeling lonely, or someone loving you? Tell me how to win your heart, but I haven't got a clue. Well, let me start by saying, Ma'am Emma, happy birthday. Ayan po ng ating mga inaawit. Siyempre, buong puso nating inahandog para po sa my birthday ngayon Ma'am Emma Pinsker. Siyempre, Ma'am Ann Agustino, salamat po sa iyo Okay na po ba ang ating music background? Ayan, kanina lang po, hindi, medyo nagloko ang ating tugtugin na po. At syempre siya kayo, Nestle Maldeta, idol request at Tagalog version na No Arms. Ayan, sige po pawait nyo lang po ito diretso ko lang pong awitan ng ating my birthday ngayon So next natin ayan so yan, request sa Tagalog version ng No Arms. Sige po, pawait nyo lang po, po. Ayan, salamat Mami Lilian. Shoutout din po Mami Lilian, Bacali Poster. Ayan, sira na ang ating cellphone. Ayan. Happy birthday po from Ma'am Ann Agustino. Ayan. Ayan, pasensya na po kayo. So ito na nangyari sa cellphone natin, nabasag na Ayan, pasensya na po kayo So ito na po yung next nating awitin
Pag malakas ang buto, tuloy ang galaw.
Ma'am Minas Dress Shop, hello, magandang gabi. Ayan, kumusta po? Magandang gabi. Big shoutout po sa iyo, Ma'am Minas Dress Shop. Hello, idol sa pool na sa pool. At syempre, big shoutout po sa Mulano, hanggang ngayon ng team sa Pula sa Pool, Maring Marisol Serrano. Hello, magandang gabi sa iyo, Maring Marisol Serrano, magandang gabi. At syempre, you're welcome po, Nestle Maldeta. Syempre, this next song is para pa din po sa iyo Happy birthday po, Ma'am Emma Pinsker. If I had to live my life without you near me, the days will then be empty. The night would seem so long. With you I see forever all so clearly. I might have been in love before, but I never felt this wrong. Our dreams, young and we both know, that take us where we want to go. Hold me now, touch me now, not to want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You wanna know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You wanna know by now how much I love you. I wanna change my whole life too, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. If the road ahead is not so easy, our love will lead the way for us. like a guiding in the star. I'll be there for you if you should need me. You don't have to change a thing. I love you just the way you are. So come with me and share the view. I'll help you see forever too. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You wanna know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You wanna know by now how much I love you. You wanna change my whole life too, but nothing's gonna change my love for. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You wanna know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Done. Happy birthday, Ma'am Emma! Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You wanna know by now how much I love you. Wanna change my whole life too, but nothing's gonna change my love for. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You wanna know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Ayan. Thank you so much po sa iyong palakpak, Maminas Dress Shop. Sa pulang birthday celebrant, Mamita Emma Pinsker. Ayan. So, ayan. Sana po naibigan ninyo, Ma'am Emma Pinsker. At isa po yan sa pinakapaboritong awitin na Ma'am Emma Pinsker. Yan nga, Nothing Gonna Change My Love For You. Na ginawa natin ng ginawa natin ng cover song. Ayan. So, happy birthday po Yung request kanina, may request kanina, no? So marami tayong mga awitin na inihanda kay Ma'am Emma Pinsker, ano? Ayan, pa-comment na lang nga po ulit nung nung request kanina, na wala. Thank you po, Ma'am Charlene Pilante. Ayan, pa-comment na lang po ulit tong Oo. So, belated happy birthday po sa iyo, Ma'am. So, kantahan ko muna si Ma'am Charlene Pilante. Ayan, Ma'am Charlene Pilante, kakantahan muna kita sa kita. Opo. Ano nga po yung request ninyo, Ma'am Charlene? Ayan. Hello po, Maminas Dress Shop. Ayan. Hello po ulit. Magandang gabi. Shoutout po, Maminas Dress. Kumusta na po? Leia Artuzuela, mapagmahal ako. Ayan. Sige po. Sige po, Mami Lilian. Sige po. Ano pong ulam ninyo, Mami Lilian? Ordinary song kantahin mo, idol. Arlene Andales. Ano sa naglilista? Walang naglilista? Ayun lang. Wala pala naglilista. Ma-request please, vulnerable. Ay, sige po, pawit na lang. Wala pala naglilista. Ayan, pa-comment ulit po Wala pala naglilista. Ano ba yan? Ayan, nililista lang po natin You're welcome po, Maminas Dress Shop. You raise me up. You raise me up po ba? O you raise me up? Okay. Sige po. Ayan, Ma'am Maribeles de la Cris Janice. Magandang gabi po, ma'am. Kumusta na po? Ayan, Ma'am Maribeles Janice. Magandang gabi po. Shoutout po sa iyo, So ito po yung request ni Mama Charlene Regente Pilante. Ayan, so awitin muna po natin yung kay Mama Noah. Siyempre, big shoutout po sa The King. Ayan, parang Angelo Chavez, magandang gabi, hello. Ayan, parang Angelo Chavez, kumusta ka na? Magandang gabi sa iyo, ha. Siyempre, thank you sa papuso, Maminas Dress Shop. Oo. So ayan, ha, kaya hindi tayo nakapag-live doon nakaraan, nagpunta tayo ng Manila. Ayan. Nagsaglit tayo doon. Okay, ito po yung request ni Mama Charlene Regente Pilante. Tagalog version po, no arms. Sige po, ayan. Naglilista na po. Ayan, sige po. Okay, ito na po yung para po kay Ma'am Charlene Pilante. Okay, tama po ba ito, Ma'am Charlene? Ito na nga po, Ayan, kumusta ka, paring Angelo Chavez?
When I am down and all my soul so worried, when troubles come and my heart burdened be, then I am still and waiting in the silence until you come and spend a while with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas.
Ma'am Sosette,
I am strong when I am on your shoulder. You raise me up to more than I can be.
ayos lang pare, ayan na. Kinakaya pa rin, ayan. Dapat lang pare Angelo Chavez, ha. Ayan na, laging magpalakas, ha. Shoutout dyan sa iyo, ha. Ingat-ingat lagi, ha. Maring Marisol! Ayan, para sa ito, Ma'am Charlene Pilante.
You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. And shoulders, you raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. And I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up to more than I can be.
So So yung awit na yan, siyempre sa nag-request ha, si Charlene Pilante. Ayan, sana po naibigan ninyo ha. Okay, kanta pa tayo ng isang request. And after ng isang request, kanta ulit tayo para po sa my birthday ha. Ayan, sige po. Okay, yung isa kanina. So kanta pa tayo ng isang request. So yung request ni Arlene Andales, Ordinary Song. So nandiyan pa ba si Arlene Andales? Ayan, you're welcome po ha, Charlene Pilante. You're welcome po. So paging muna natin dito. Paging nga kay ano to ha, Arlene Andales. Nandito ko pa po ba? Arlene Andales, ano, Ordinary Song. Jeng, ano to? Jeng Nel. Tudtud. Ay, tudtud nga ba? Ayan. Jeng Nel at Tudtud. Good evening po sa iyo, ha. Jeng Nel Tudtud. Ayan. Magandang gabi sa iyo po, ha. Shoutout po, taga saan po kayo? Okay, so nandito pa po si Ma'am Arlene Andales, yung kanyang request na Ordinary Song.
Dahil sa birthday advance, may tibay ako para sa mga mahal ko. Senior Power!
Ayan, sana po maibigan ninyo from Arlene Andales. Kanyang awitin na Ordinary Song. Ayan po. So sana po maibigan ninyo ha. Big shoutout po sa pogi-pogi kong classmate Arvin Miraflor. Hello. Ayan, classmate Arvin Miraflor ha. So ito na po yung Ma'am Becca Joey, magandang gabi. Good evening DJ Razel. Shoutout, miss you idol. Miss na rin kitang awitan ha. Becca Joey, magandang gabi sa iyo ha. Hello po, I'm from Pagadian City. Wow, sa mga taga Pagadian City ha. Ayan ha. Ayan ha, hindi pa po ang lahat. Ayan, Ma'am Emma Pinsker. Ayan ha. So next natin yung sa inyo po ha. So ito muna po yung para po kay Arlene Andales. So next natin Ma'am Emma. Next po yung sa inyo po.
Just an ordinary song to a special girl like you, from a simple guy who's so in love with you. I may not have much to show, no diamonds that glow, no limousines to take you where you go. But if you ever find yourself tired of all the games you play, when the world seems so unfair, you can count on me to stay. Just take some time.
Magandang gabi sa iyo, Los Buko Betuin. Ayan, shoutout po sa iyo, Luz. Magandang gabi ha.
Just an ordinary song to a special girl like you, from a simple guy who's so in love with you. I don't even have the looks,
thank you Maring Marisol,
to make you glance my way. The clothes I wear may just seem so absurd, but deep inside of me it's you. Give a lot of what I do. All those years me see you through. Still I've been waiting here for you. Just take some time, less than dear. to this ordinary song.
Rodolfo Andao, magandang gabi.
Just an ordinary song. A special girl like you, from a simple guy who's so in love with you.
Saan awitin na po yan na sa nag-request po. Siyempre, magandang gabi sa iyo ha. Sir Rodolfo Andao, ayan. Kay Jengel Tutut, galing niyo po. Thank you so much po. Emeline Andrade, ayan. Sana po ay naibigan ninyo. Siyempre, ito na po ha. So ito pa yung ating next song. Para po sa may birthday ha. Ma'am Emma Pinsker, ayan ang iyong mga paboritong awitin na iaawitin po natin ha. So next natin ha. Yes po, Sir Rodolfo Andao. So, next po natin ha. Ayan. So, isa po sa mga paboritong awitin ni Ma'am Emma Pinsker. Ayan. Maring Marisol, salamat. Pwede po na mag-request, okay lang po. Sige po, ano pong request po ninyo? Ayan, sige po. So, happy birthday again, Ma'am Emma Pinsker. Happy birthday.
I can't fight this feeling any longer, and yet I'm still afraid to let it flow. We started on us, friendship has grown stronger. I only wish that I had the strength to let it show. I tell myself that I can't hold out forever. I say there's no reason for my fear, 'cause I feel so secure when we're together.
Emeline Andrade,
you give my life direction, you make everything so clear. Even as I wonder, I'm keeping you inside. You're a candle in a window on a cold winter's night, and I'm getting closer than I ever thought I might. And I can't fight this feeling anymore. I've forgotten what I'm starting fighting for. It's time to bring the ship into the shore and throw away the oars forever. 'Cause I can't fight this feeling anymore. I've forgotten what I'm starting fighting for. And if I have to cross up on the floor, come crashing to your door, baby, I can't fight this feeling anymore.
once again, happy birthday po, Ma'am Emma Pinsker.
My life has been such a whirlwind since I saw you. I've been running around this circles in my mind. Baby, all it seems when I follow you go. 'Cause you take me to the places that alone I never find.
Ma'am Rosalinda Kailaw.
And even as I wonder, I'm keeping you inside. You're a candle in the windows and a colder winter's night. When I'm getting closer than I ever thought I might, and I can't fight this feeling anymore. And I'm forgetting what I'm starting fighting for. It's time to bring the sheep into the shore and throw away the oars forever.
Ma'am Ami Gregorio, magandang gabi.
'Cause I can't fight this feeling anymore. I'm forgetting what I'm starting fighting for. And if I have to cross up on the pond, come crashing to your door, baby, I can't fight this feeling anymore.
Yan pong awitin na siyempre para po sa may birthday ngayon na. Happy birthday po, Ma'am Emma Pinsker. Yan po ang mga paboritong awitin ni Ma'am Emma na po. So ang gaganda ng mga paboritong awitin ni Ma'am Emma Pinsker na po. Ayan, salamat po sa inyong palakpak ha. Ma'am Ana Agustino. Hello po idol, gandang gabi po. Yan na Renato Tutor. Ayan, shoutout ha. Yan Renato Tutor, magandang gabi sa iyo. Siyempre kay Ami Gregorio, magandang gabi po ulit ma'am. Okay, so next ulit natin ha. Thank you sa inyo pa puso ha, Ma'am Emma, Ma'am Ana Agustino. Yan. So ayan yung pakinggan natin ang mga paboritong awitin ni Ma'am Emma Pinsker.
Great taste, White. The pain of shingles, it would be...
Okay. Isang awitin pa rin. From Chicago, you're the inspiration. Ma'am Emma Pinsker, happy birthday!
You know our love was meant to be the kind of love to last forever. And I want you here with me. And from tonight until the end of time, you should know, everywhere I go, and always on my mind, in my heart, in my soul, baby, you're the meaning in my life, you're the inspiration, bring feeling into my life, you're the inspiration. I wanna have you near me, I wanna have you near me, say yeah. No one needs you more than I need you.
Ma'am Jappy Girl, magandang gabi, Ma'am Jappy Girl. Thank you, Ma'am Emma Pinsker. Salamat sa patana.
And I know, yes I know that it's meant to see. We're so in love when we're together. And now I know that I need you here with me. From tonight until the end of time, you should know, everywhere I go, and always on my mind, in my heart, in my soul. You're the winning in my life, you're the inspiration. You bring feeling into my life, you're the inspiration. I wanna have you near me, I wanna have you near me, say yeah. No one needs you more than I need you.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Emma!
Wanna have you near me, wanna have you near me, say yeah. No one needs you more than I, no one needs you more than I. You're the inspiration, you bring feeling into my life. You're the inspiration, when you love somebody till the end of time. When you love somebody, always on my mind. When you love somebody till the end of time. When you love somebody, always on my mind.
Yan ako, napakagandang awitin from Chicago ha. Salamat sa inyong pabulaklak flower ha, Ma'am Ami Gregorio. Mami Lilian ko, sa iyo po ang You're the Inspiration. Napakagandang awitin yan. Siyempre mula po yan sa my birthday ngayon ha. You're my inspiration, Idol Russell B. And your positive and attitude and make me gain the strength I needed to survive. Wow, thank you so much po, Ma'am Emma Pinsker ha. Again, happy birthday at syempre maraming salamat po sa inyong tiwala, Ma'am Emma Pinsker. Salamat po ha. At kaya po syempre siguro ang inyong lingkod ay nandito po lagi sa inyo. Sino man po mag-birthday sa inyo, ayan gawa natin ng mga ganitong klaseng pagdiriwang para naman po sa kahit pa paanong paparaan ay mapaligaya ko po kayo. Syempre, ayan so in behalf po siyempre sa bumubuo ng ating team sa Pula. Ayan, Mami Lilian at siyempre na dito yung ating mga kumari Maring Marisol Serrano. Siyempre big shoutout po kay Ma'am Ma'am Jappy Girl. Ayan ang magandang si Ma'am Jappy Girl from Japan siyempre Ayan Ma'am Jappy Girl, magandang gabi po sa iyo. So napakaganda po ng mga playlist. Nung makita ko yung nung sinend ni Mama Emma Pinsker yung kanya mga paboritong awitin, Diyos ko po Lord. Ayan, gaganda. So kahit medyo matataas, kanina ni-review ko, ay talagang matataas talaga. So pero kaya ganun pa man, so kailangan natin pilitin syempre, di ba? Ayan Ay okay, sige yan. Mamaya aawit tayo ng mga okay, yung request natin mga request. Okay. So pasensya na po doon sa may mga request po. Ayan medyo lang po. So, pero aawitin naman po natin yan Ayan shoutout Ma'am Jappy Girl from Maring Marisol Serrano. Ayan. Okay, so isa pa nga magandang awitin That's true. Ayan entertainer to make their fans happy. Yes, at syempre importante sa lahat, salamat po sa inyong pagtitiwala. So yun lang po talaga. So yung tiwala ninyo binibigay sa akin. Ayan humarap ako dito sa inyo, makapagbigay ng kaunting kasiyahan. Makanta ko ang inyong mga paboritong awitin. Ayan, sapat na po para po sa akin. Ayan, salamat po. Siyempre, sa mga nagpapalipad ng tala, siyempre, buong puso ko po tinatanggap yan at na-appreciate ko po talaga yung mga ginagawa ninyong yan. Yung mga sumusuporta po ngayon sa atin, dito sa munting live. Ayan, sobrang nagpapasalamat po ako dahil nagtitiwala po kayo sa akin. Isang malaking karangalan po yun sa akin at hindi ko po yan malilimutan hanggang pagtanda ko. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ayan. Siyempre, Mami Lilian ko. Ayan, siyempre, yung Mami Lilian natin, malapit na bang birthday. Kailan ba? Mami Lilian, kailan bang birthday mo? Baka mamaya limot ko na, ha? Baka mamaya limot na natin, ano? Ayan. Okay, next natin, isa pang magandang awitin, ha? Thank you sa patala po, Ma'am Emma. Okay, so ito pa. So pakinggan natin ang mga paboritong awitin ni Ma'am Emma Pinsky, ano? Okay, from Brian Adams, ha? Everything I Do. Happy birthday, Ma'am Emma Pinsky. Look into my eyes, you will see what you mean to me. Search your heart, search your soul. When you find me there, just search no more. Don't tell me it's not worth trying for. I can't tell me it's not worth trying for. You know it's true. And everything I do it for you. I look into your heart, you will find there's nothing there to hide. Take me as I am, take my life. I would give it all, and I would sacrifice. And don't tell me it's not worth fighting for. I can't help it, nothing I want more. You know it's true, and everything I do it for you. There's no love like your love, and no one love can give more love. There's no way on this lovely day, and all the time, and all the way, yeah. Our song ay siyempre para po sa may birthday ngayon. Happy birthday ulit, Ma'am Emma Pinsky. Wow, again salamat sa patala. Salamat po. Everything I do, and I do it for you, is my, wow. It's my theme song in my wedding. Theme song. You can tell me it's not worth trying for. I can't help it, there's nothing I want more. And I will fight for you, and I like for you, walk the one for you, yeah, time for you. You know it's true.
everything I do, do it for you.
Dawat song, siyempre para sa my birthday ngayon ha. Ma'am Emma Pinsker, salamat po sa inyong patala. Oh, another 100 star from yan ha. Thank you ha for Mami Lilina. Wow naman si Mamita ka kada isang kanta 100 stars. Yahoo! From Mami Lilina natin yan ha. Yan ha, isang magandang awitin ano. At syempre, isang magandang awitin pa rin. Ayan na, mula po sa mga pinakapaboritong awitin. Siyempre na Ma'am Emma Pinsker, ano? At siyempre mga first time kong inaawit ito, ano? So from Chicago pa din, ha? Ma'am Emma Pinsker, ang ganda talaga nito, ha? Medyo na, ayan, ha? Nagugulat na ako. So first time kong mga inaawit ito, ha? So ang gaganda ng awitin, ito pa, isa pang magandang awitin ha. Ayan, anong handa mo pala Ma'am Emma Pinsker? Ayan ha. Okay, isa pang awitin. Hard to say I'm sorry. From Chicago, happy birthday Ma'am Emma Pinsker.
Everybody needs a little time away. Had to say from each other. Every lover needs a lot of time. Far, far away from each other. Hold me now. It's time for me to say I'm sorry. I just want you to stay. And after all that we've been through, I will make it up to you. I promise you. And after all that's been said and done, you're just a part of me I can't let go. Couldn't say.
Parang mababa yung tono. Taasin kaya natin. Try natin mataas. Ma'am Emma Pinsker, ulitin ko ha. Try ko lang mataas. Maring Marisol. Try ko lang mataas.
Everybody needs me a time away. I had to say from each other. Every lovers needs a lot of day. Far away from each other. And hold me now. It's hard for me to say I'm sorry. I just want you to say. And after all that we've been through, and I will make it up to you, I promise you. And after all that's been said and done, you're just a part of me I can't let go. It is time to run away. Just wanna take from your body. Wouldn't want to be a slave away. Far away from the one that I love. Hold me now. It's time for me to say I'm sorry. And I just want you to know. And hold me now. I really want to tell you sorry. That I could never let you go. And after all that we've been through, now we'll make it up to you. I promise you. And after all that's been said and done, you're just a part of me I can't let go.
Taas pala nun. Ayan, Ma'am Emma Pinsker, ha. Ayan, ha. Medyo mataas pala yun, ha. Nagulat ako dun, ha. Thank you, Ma'am Emma, sa patala.
To walk on.
So at doon nagtatapos. Grabe yung taas nun, ha. So nagulat ako dun, ha. So first time nating inawit yung sorry naman, ha. Parang medyo nagulat ako dun sa... Grabe yung birit sa taas, ano. So, pero ano, kunti pa. Kunti pa, Ma'am Emma. Nakukuha ko yun, ha. Thank you sa papuso, ha. Renato Tutor. At syempre, Black Lady. Magandang gabi. Hello, ha. Ayan, Japil yan. Thank you sa patala. Salamat, Japil yan. Japil girl yan, ha, mga kasapula. Yan, Japil yan at Japil girl. Ayan, ha, iisa po yan. Payakap din po natin pa-support pa. Thank you, Ma'am Japil yan sa inyo patala. Siyempre, Ma'am Emma Pinsker. Ayan, ha, medyo nagbirit tayo. Hindi ko alam kung nakuha ko, eh. So, ang taas pala. Ayan, kaya nga Ma'am Emma, so first time kong inawit, siguro ko pag mapapractice ko to, pag napapractice ko to, sigurado makukuha natin ito, ha. So, at yan ang ating gagawing ano, ha. Wow, thank you, ha. Okay, salamat Ma'am Emma. So, ito po yung next natin, ha. Nako, so pakinggan natin ang mga awitin na napakaganda. Wala po sa mga paboritong awitin ni Ma'am Emma Pinsker, ha. Ayan. Classmate, Arvin Mila Prola. Thank you po, ha. Thank you, Ma'am Chapil yan. Salamat po. So, napalamat.
Stress na ba? Relax muna.
So ito yung dinapakinggan kanina ni Ma'am Emma, no? Parang ito, Ma'am Emma Pinsker, ito yung hindi mo napakinggan kanina. So yan, ha. Isa din ito sa paboritong awitin ni Ma'am Emma.
Only you can make this world seems right, and only you can make the darkness bright. Only you and you alone can tell me like you do and fill my heart with love for only you. Only you can make this kiss and me, for it's true. You are my destiny, my magic that you do. You're my dream come true, my one and only you.
Ma'am Lorna Canolo, magandang gabi.
Only you can make this kiss and me,
Ma'am Lorna Canolo.
for it's true. You are my destiny.
Ma'am Tina Villanueva.
When you hold my hand, I understand the magic that you do. You're my dream come true, my one and only you.
And that was song ay isa sa mga paboritong awitin ni Ma'am Emma Pinsker. Ma'am Emma, salamat po sa iyong patala. Black Lady, ayan na. So dire-diretso na po natin yung playlist, ano po. Sa para po tayo makapag-dire-diretso na ng mga request song nyo, ano po. So, try natin to, ano? Okay, isang awitin pa rin na maganda. Yan. I'm on the floor, counting 1 minute more. Stuck on you. Sige po. No one to the pain. Silence. Staring on to the night, all alone, but that's alright. It's the feeling deep inside. I don't like, there is no excuse, my friend, for breaking my heart. Breaking my heart again. This is where our journey ends. You're breaking my heart again. Thank you, Maring Marisol. Here in my bed, counting down words you've said. Till they get the shadows, coming home late at night,
drunk again, but that's alright. It's the look in your eyes I don't like. There is no excuse, my friend, for breaking my heart, breaking my heart again. This is where our journey ends. You're breaking my heart again. There is no excuse, my friend, for breaking my heart, breaking my heart again. This is where our journey ends. You're breaking my heart again.
Okay, that was song. At syempre ay isa sa mga paboritong awitin ni Ma'am Emma Pinsker, ano? So yan, dinire-diretso na natin, ha? Mga paboritong awitin, ano po? So yung pala yun, ano? So first time ko ding inawit siya, no? Okay, so diretso na natin, ha? So malapit na, ano? Okay, so first time kong inaawit to. So, Michael Learns Torak, ano? So, paborito palang awitin ni Ma'am Emma Pinsker to mga Michael Learns Torak. So, yun. Parang hindi ko to kabisado, ah.
Don't know what to say, don't know where to start. I don't know how to untell a complicated heart. You tell me you are living, but just have to say.
Hindi ko kabisado.
Before you to end, even if you, I don't know.
Ayan, sorry Ma'am Emma, ha? Ian Sanchez, magandang gabi. So hindi natin kabisado, ha? Okay, sorry Ma'am Emma Pinsker, hindi ko kabisado. So ito pa rin, isa pa rin awitin. Ayan, ha. Ayan, magandang gabi po sa ating lahat.
Saan ba aabot ang iyong pangarap? Anong naghihintay sa iyong bukas? Sa buhay mo kaya'y may araw pa na sisikat upang tumanglaw sa iyong landas. Karamay mo ngayon'y luha at hirap. Mayroong ligaya bang magaganap? Pag-asa'y hindi tuluyan na magwawakas, sasapit din ang tangi mong pangarap. Esperanza, kahit pa kay bigat ang pagsubok na nasa iyong balikat, di maglalaho na araw mo ay sisikat, katotohanan ng magaganap. Esperanza is all. Kayakap mo ngayon'y luha at hirap, mayroong ligaya bang magaganap? Pag-asa hindi tuluyan na magwawakas, sasapit din ang tangi mong pangarap. Esperanza, kahit pa kay bigat ang pagsubok na nasa iyong balikat, di maglalaon araw mo ay sisikat, katotohanan ng magaganap. Esperanza, kahit pa kay bigat ang pagsubok na nasa iyong balikat, di maglalaon araw mo ay sisikat, katotohanan ng magaganap. Esperanza.
Ayan, Esperanza mula din po sa isang mga paboritong awitin, ano, ni Ma'am Emma Pinsker. Happy birthday po, Esperanza. Okay. So, ayan doon po sa mga nag-re-request So, ayan pasensya na po kayo ko na dinire-diretso natin yung mga playlist o mga paboritong awitin ni Ma'am Emma Pinsker dahil nga po birthday niya ngayon So, babawi po tayo next live. Ayan So, pasensya naman po. At syempre, lahat ng pangarap ko, achieve ko na. Okay. Madami ko na pangarap, malapit ko na ma-achieve. Ayan. So, Ma'am Emma Pinsker, po. So, time check, it's 10:48 ng gabi. Ayan. So ito, isa pa ring awitin, Tagalog. Ayan. Thank you, Black Lady. Ayan, isang makapagdamdaming awitin Ayan, happy birthday again Ma'am Emma Pinsker. So sa buhay ng tao happy birthday.
Di magwawakas hanggang sa dulo ng mundo, ang kaninga ko'y asahan mo. Kahit pa anong landas ay tatahakin ko upang tayo'y hindi magkalayo. Sana'y laging kapiling, yan ang aking dalangin. Magpakailanmago ang sinisigaw nitong aking puso, magpakailanman, magpakailanman.
Ayan. Once again, happy birthday, Ma'am Emma Pinsker.
Sa tuwing kinakailangan mo, narito ako, handang dumamay sa iyong lungkot. Habang buhay ay hinding-hindi maglalaho, ang himig natin ay aawitin ko. Sana ay pakinggan, tayo ay walang hanggan. Magpakailanman hindi magbabago ang sinisigaw nitong aking puso. Magpakailanman, magpakailanman.
Ayan, isang pagpanang gabi sa ating lahat. Again, happy birthday, Ma'am Emma Pinsker.
Narito ang tinig ko, tumatawag sa'yo. Sana ay buksan ang iyong puso. Magpakailanman hindi magbabago ang sinisigaw nitong aking puso. Magpakailanman, magpakailanman, magpakailanman.
Again and again, mula dito sa pool na sa pool, happy birthday, Ma'am Emma Pinsker. Okay, bakit mga favorite ko kung kanta nga iba-iba dahil may naranasan ko sa buhay at 31 years na being from a OFW at naranasan ko ang matinding pagsubok sa buhay ko. At syempre, ang mahalaga dyan sa mga naranasan ni Ma'am Emma Pinsker, so mas lalo siyang tumibay yan, sa kanyang buhay. Ayan, sa mga hamon ng buhay. So, ang dami, magagandang awitin, So, lahat ng mga kinanta natin ay, syempre, hango sa mga naging karanasan ni Ma'am Emma Pinsker. At syempre, at naniniwala ako, Ma'am Emma Pinsker, yung mga awitin na yan, yung mga naranasan mo yan, yan ang nagpatibay dahil mabuti kang tao at nandiyan ka. Yan. So, again, happy birthday! Okay na. Okay, salamat po sa iyong papuso, Sir Renato Tutor Jr. Okay, sumihina yung connection natin na nawawala na. So yan, Ma'am Emma Pinsker. So naawit natin ang iyong mga paboritong awitin, po. So time check tayo, it's 10:54 po tayo, So ayan, sa mga hindi po natin naawitan, ayan, So pasensya muna po, siguro ko po bukas naman ulit, Ma'am Lorna Binaya, salamat po, Okay. Salamat po ha. Oo, humihina na yung connection natin ha. So yan ha, pasensya na kayo, medyo humihina pa yung connection natin. So ang hirap ng ganitong sitwasyon ano. So humihina pa yung connection. So bukas na lang po ulit ano po, baka maganda-ganda ng connection natin bukas ha. So again ha. Sa mga hindi po natin naawitan, ako po ay humingi ng paumanhin. Ayan. So bukas po, ayan na, diretso ulit po live tayo. So yan na, Ma'am Emma Pinsker. So nawawala na yung ating connection. Ayan, sana po ay napaligaya po namin kayo sa pamamagitan ng pag-awit mo ng iyong mga paboritong awitin. At syempre, ayan na, happy birthday again sa iyo ha. Thank you so much po. Ayan na, good night po sa inyo lahat ha. Mami Lilian ko, maraming salamat. Good night po, Ma'am Lorna Binaya. Ayan, Ma'am Emma Pinsker, maraming salamat po sa iyong patala ha. Ayan, good night na po sa lahat. Ayan, thank you so much po. Good night po, Ma'am Lorna Binaya. Good night na po. Thank you so much po. Happy birthday po, Ma'am Emma Pinsker. Salamat po. Thank you. Good night po sa lahat. Mami Lilian. Yan, pasensya na po kaya medyo mahina po yung connection natin. Yan, humihina po talaga, nawawala na po. Naglalag na. Yan, salamat po.